Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 1 minute before starting work. This prevents shorts and accidental airbag deployment. Work on a cool engine. Allow the car to sit 30 minutes if recently driven. Gather tools: a 10 mm socket, small ratchet, flat screwdriver, plastic trim tool, and needle nose pliers. Wear gloves and safety glasses to avoid cuts and oil on bulbs. Keep a clean rag and a small container for screws. Confirm you have replacement bulbs or a new assembly rated for the model year CTS. Open the hood and remove 3 10 mm bolts on the top cover to access the headlight assembly. Set those bolts aside together. If needed, turn the front wheels away to access the wheel well. Remove 2 plastic clips and 1 7 mm fastener in the wheel well to free the bumper edge. Carefully pull the bumper forward about 3 inches to expose the headlight retaining screws without stressing wires. Support the bumper with one hand while you work to prevent paint damage or misalignment. Unplug the headlight electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. Do not yank the wires. Remove the 2 10 mm headlight bolts and 1 8 mm lower screw, then lift the assembly out of the bumper opening. Note orientation and wiring routing. Transfer mounting clips or bulbs as needed, or install the replacement assembly. Install the new unit, tighten fasteners finger tight, then tighten to an 8 Nm final torque sequence. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and check.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.